Hey, what's up? Today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the Kizer Carlos Elsner design Hawk folding knife. Let me tell you, this knife is an absolute beast. First off, the design is just impressive. The bubble stone wash finish gives it a unique, amazing look, but it's not just about the looks. One of the things that really blew me away is how smooth the opening mechanism is. You can flick this thing open with just one hand. The action is buttery smooth thanks to the high-quality ball bearing Kizer used in the pivot. The titanium handles are ergonomically designed, keeping a great weight balance, not being too heavy but definitely not flimsy. Some of the knife specs are: this is a liner lock system with a S45BN steel, the blade thickness is 3mm, blade length is 3.4 inches, and overall it's 7.9 inches. I highly recommend checking this one out. It's a perfect blend of form and function, and I think you'll be just as impressed as I am. In this video, I would like to talk about the Kizer Shot pocket knife and share why it has become one of my favorite EDC knives. First off, the ultra slim design is fantastic. The 2.8-inch blade made of 154cm steel strikes a perfect balance between a functional, easy-to-carry knife. It's sharp right out of the box and holds the edge really well, which is exactly what you want in an everyday carry knife. One thing I do appreciate about this knife is how lightweight it is. With a weight of 2.2 ounces, you barely notice you have it in your pocket. The copper aluminum handle not only looks great with its sleek minimalistic design, but also provides a solid grip. The opening mechanism is smooth, making it easy to deploy the blade with one hand. Whether you're opening packages, cutting cords, or just need a reliable tool on the hand, this knife will do the task. Overall, the Kizer Shot is a knife that it's built to last, and I found to be incredibly useful in my daily routine. If you're looking for a slim, stylish EDC knife, I highly recommend checking this one out. Today I want to share my thoughts about the Kizer Hare Fixed Blade knife. The first thing I would say is that I own knives from different brands, and this model can compete with the high-end brands. This knife has an awesome design and it fits in my hand like a glove. The build quality is top-notch. The blade is crafted from high-quality Nitro V steel, which has proven to be durable and holds the edge really well. The handle is made from G10, which offers a perfect balance of grip and comfort. As I was saying, this knife has nothing to envy since the ergonomics are right on the spot, making it easy to control, especially for outdoor use. It includes a Kydex sheath that holds the knife firmly in place while still allowing for quick, easy access. I've put it through its paces, from outdoor tasks like scraping wood to more delicate work like food prep, and it hasn't let me down. The Kizer Hare Fixed Blade knife has become a reliable companion for all my outdoor tasks. If you're in the market for a fixed blade knife, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Let's talk about the Kizer Amicus pocket knife. First off, the 2.95-inch satin Nitro V steel blade. It's a well-suited for your everyday carry needs. I've used it mostly for EDC tasks, from opening packages to slicing a fruit in the morning, and it's just what I need to carry around on a regular day. The blade has a convenient size for EDC, big enough to be useful but still compact and easy to manage. The G10 handle is another highlight for me. It provides a great grip even when using the knife with my hands wet. Another highlight is how smooth the opening mechanism is. You can manage easily with one hand, which is super convenient when you're multitasking. The liner lock is solid and gives you a reassuring click when the blade is fully deployed, so you know it's secure. If you're looking for a compact EDC knife with an affordable price and great performance, I highly recommend giving this one a try.